Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, all ready. All freaking ready. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get it back. Yeah, I made a mistake this morning. Let's see if we can get this back. Let's see. I made a mistake and yeah, let's see if we can get it back. All right, there we go. All right, so I made a mistake this morning. I keep forgetting that I have this on my Nasdaq chart and not my micro Nasdaq. And when I opened the position, it bounced up and then it dropped. And I was like, yo, what the hell? What the freaking hell, man? What the hell? So, uh, let's see. Let's see if it'll work, man. That would just be kind of awesome if it does. Damn it. Yeah. Okay. All right. So this morning on the ES, when I say that this thing missed, oh, I guess I should have just, huh. Huh. What do I have this attached to? 416, 438. All right, so I guess, huh, 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 huh. Hmm. So I had a limit sitting here overnight at 425, and it literally missed me by a point. I'm looking at my limit right now, just sitting there as price ran up about what 20 something freaking points. I missed it literally by 1 point. Oh my God, that's hurtful.
Hello.
Hey,
Can you
what's
hear
up,
me?
man? What's up? I think I need to take a break. I made a mistake this morning.
What you
I
do?
I went 15 contracts on the
Oh,
Nasdaq E-mini by mistake. By
hold
mistake.
on. You you streaming?
Yeah. Why you
Okay,
don't
let
see
me
it?
hop in. Hold on, I'm hopping. You made 15 cons on the Nasdaq. How? Is this one of those things?
Yeah, dude. Because I have the FIB levels on the Nasdaq because we trade on the micros, so I have it on the Nasdaq, and sometimes I just forget that I have it on the Nasdaq too. Sometimes I forget. And I went 15
Yeah.
contracts, and as soon as I got in, man, that shit flushed down and stopped me out. I was like, yo, and I was like only like 100 points away from yeah, because it was like 200 or $2,700 on that drop, and it just dropped too,
Hmm.
man. But something interesting has just happened. If you're looking at the stream, I think I found the fib levels for the ES right now. I think I found the fib levels for ES. All right, so I guess I got this
Oh,
tool to work on the ES.
oh, word. Hold on, I effed up too. I'm on the wrong fucking contract. Yeah.
But for Shiro, he says, yeah, I don't know what the hell. Man, dude, I really have to sit down and ask myself, am I going into a self-sabotage cycle? Am I going into that phase where I'm winning and now it's okay, I'm tired of winning. Now I'm just going to start doing shit. I wonder if I'm now entering that phase because that was absolutely crazy what the hell I just did, man. Crazy. Why the hell did I go 15 contracts on the damn Nasdaq? Why was I not paying attention?
I mean, I'm on the wrong freaking contract.
Are
And
you?
yeah,
Are you stuck in something right now?
I am stuck. What is it? Oh shoot! Heck no, that's the wrong one. Damn it! Was it NQ M4?
I believe so. I think it's M.
Or the wrong one?
Hold on, did I? Okay, I'm tired of this. All right, so it looks like we got some more price acceptance up here. So the market is definitely going to start trading higher. And I hate the fact that I just got stopped out. Like I made a mistake, Nasdaq. I guess she wanted to get me back for all the times I was trading the ES and neglecting her. She's like, you're only supposed to be trading me. And now you want to come back over here and you trying to make some money? I'm gonna need all that back.
Yep. I'm about to close this position. $20. Look at me. I made $20. But
Uh-oh,
I'm on the
big.
wrong contract. So it's really 16 because of the commission. Oh, that's trash.
Mhm.
Damn, $3? I guess. Three? I felt like it used to be a little less.
What are you talking about?
Fees and commissions?
Mm. You know, I think Top Step X hit me with I paid like $11 in fees or something on a micro trade or something like that, which was
Yeah, I
weird.
think they do micros. I think they might charge more. It's crazy how they do micros.
Shit, what's really crazy is that September contract. I'm pretty sure it's hit 20K by now.
Not quite. It's sitting at 906, so the high is 950. It was 50 points away.
Oh, 50 points away.
950. But it dropped, so we just got. So I was trying to go long because I see some more, a little bit higher price, and look at it. But I do see it coming into some. Damn man, damn it. NQM. Is it M5? No, it's NQU4. U4 is the U4. Okay, damn it. Look at the price, man. I wanted to get long right there. Now what? I gotta wait for the short. Wait for 19,999, and then Gainway hits his target. Short, or mega
Man,
short.
man, I hate the NQ. Man, she's a bitch, yo. She's a bitch, man. God damn. Yo, I made a mistake, NQ. You didn't have to do that. I got in long. Hold on. Yeah, I got in long right here, and you can see it drop. No, no, no. It was something. I was in 15
Like a
contracts.
flash.
It was that flash drop, and then she straight up pump. Man, NQ. Oh, I didn't deserve that.
She said, "Yes, you did.
Shit.
You're cheating on me with ES, my cousin." Man, I was in the long on the old contract though, but I wanted to be in the long on the new contract.
hmm
I didn't want to mess around with the. Okay, now I got one more chart. I got so many different charts. I got to change all of them. NQ U4.
Damn.
Okay.
Damn, man. Oh, damn. Damn.
That's crazy. Hey, there'll be other opportunities. That's okay.
That was me yesterday. I can't believe
Oh
it.
yeah, you missed all that, yo. You missed hella
Everything.
good moves. CPI was crazy. Yeah.
Oh, oh. I think I might be going in my self-sabotage cycle, man. I think it is. I think that's what's happening right
No, we can't be doing that.
now. I know.
Gotta stay. Why is this frozen? I feel like price ain't moving. Oh shoot. Yo, yesterday, yeah, man. During that whole thing, this internet out here could not handle that. I was like, oh my gosh. Am I up? Am I down? I don't know what the heck going on.
Mm. Huh. Oh yeah, that's temporarily disabled. I mean, I doubt that, I doubt that, I doubt it. But going back to what Powell has stated yesterday. Oh, actually, let's actually talk about this first because this is actually pretty serious. What just happened? 2 days ago, supposedly, Saudi Arabia has not, I repeat, has not renewed its petrodollar deal with the United States. We all know that that's what's literally holding up the dollar right now. And now Saudi Arabia has stated that they're going to be looking to use other currencies to trade their oil in, and not exclusively with the dollar. So the petrodollar for right now is no more, or it is to be determined is a better way to say that. I'm still on Nasdaq. It is to be determined, which is kind of concerning. We got inflation, and it's like the more that the United States tries to exert its dominance on the world by sanctions and stuff like that, and then they turn around and say, "Hey, what Russia? Oh man, that was a good short, man. Fuck. What Russia did to Ukraine is like the worst thing that's happened, and it is. But we all know that that's the United States strategy. They like to invade countries and inflict its will on that country, because that's what they did in Iraq and Afghanistan. However, it's going to be hard now to convince the world that we need to invade Saudi Arabia because they're no longer trading in the petrodollar. So I wonder how the United States is going to respond to that, because there
Yeah,
will be a response. There almost has to be a response. And
I
it's
don't think
amazing.
we're gonna go with it.
I don't think so either,
Yeah,
but
they.
go ahead.
No, I was just saying. I really be. They probably gonna try some other tactics, but
Hmm.
yeah, I think it'd be
Yeah, they can't use their old
unlikely.
tactics. Yep, it is highly unlikely. They can't use their old tactics because they'll be seen as a hypocrite. So if you can't use your old tactics, what are you going to do? It just seems like the Biden administration. I mean, the people that they got running it, making decisions. Obviously, they don't know what the fuck they're doing, because in a span of 4 years, I mean, unless it was their plan all along to destroy this economy, man, this administration has been the worst thing that happened to us in a while. The worst thing.
So, let's destroy the economy over 4 years. Can you imagine them sitting there getting together talking about it?
So yeah, we fucked up. How do we fix this? Yeah, like, dude, it is. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy how much damage has been done. I was actually talking to my brother about this uh, during our come up, during our transition from, because we were both welders in the old world, and we both transitioned into the information technology field. And I was just talking to him, and I was like, man, it was a good thing we started when we started, because imagine if we started our grind today. If we started today, we procrastinated and waited and say, you know what, the economy will be here when we get back. Instead of being the ant, we chose to be the grasshopper. We all know what happened to the grasshopper, and that definitely would have been us. And we were just talking about that, and I was like, yeah. For those that prepare for the winter, I mean, it doesn't hurt as bad, but unfortunately, we all know that majority of people is a grasshopper. And unlike that story about the grasshopper where he went to the ant and says, hey, I guess in some stories the grasshopper dies, and in some versions of the story the ant helps the grasshopper. But we all know that in today's society, the grasshopper is going to turn into a criminal and steal from the ant. So that's
That's funny.
yeah, what the hell, yeah. So we all know that that's going to be more likely to happen than anything. That's why we see this rampant crime. People can't afford to live anymore, man, and they're just not. I mean, in the old system where there were law, a lot of people just accepted it per se. I mean, obviously, you would have some people that would still, turn to the life of crime to be able to feed their families, obviously. But in today's society, with light on crime and stuff like that, you can see the like people just says, "Fuck it, we're just gonna rob people to feed our families, and we're just gonna rob people to make a living because it's easier to work a 9 to 5 because shit, living paycheck to paycheck is just as hurtful. It's just as hurtful." Um, So yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see what happens. What I don't want to sound like a conspiracy theorist, but what false flag event happens to where all of a sudden now Saudi Arabia is going to have to like, you know what? On second thoughts, we actually will renew the petrodollar agreement and we'll extend it for the next 100 years. I mean, it's going to be very interesting to see how this whole situation plays out. But like I said, if you're an American, unfortunately, you don't want this to happen because you live here. You don't want that to happen. But I do see online that a lot of people are celebrating, even those that live here in the United States are celebrating this. And I guess that shows how people just doesn't like this administration when people that live here and would feel the most pain from that, their whole lifestyle will be uprooted and changed in an instant. They're rooting for Russia, China, BRICS, foreign nations to win. And
You seeing any setups on? It's like, man, I don't know. I feel like it can go a little bit higher, but I don't want to take that risk. It keeps, I don't know. It's weird trading. Market looks weird right now. Probably give it a little time.
honestly, I think we're going to continue to go up. Honestly, I mean, we tapped out of we tapped into that golden zone. We tapped into the VWAP and the 21 EMA. I mean, the golden fib is at 700, which honestly, I really don't see a reason for it to not get there. We could see a rejection here at 70, 72-ish, like we did here, but they bought that right back up, and then they're making higher highs. So obviously, they're going to probably try to take out this high. They're gonna probably take it out. They might find support here at 640, 650. Oh man, that's so freaking hurtful, man. I didn't deserve that. Man, this thing could have filled me. I didn't deserve that crap. Oh god. Hmm. Because I think if we do get this, all right. So, well, I mean, I guess they will do that. We'll see. We'll see. Because I mean, we did get a bounce there. They may come back in. Okay. So obviously, I think with the Nasdaq, hmm, I mean, it is kind of high. It does look like a reversal pattern a little bit. It does look like it wants to reverse, but like I said, it's not safe to trade that way with the NQ to go short. I mean, the focus should always be towards
Yeah.
the long side on the Nasdaq for right now.
But see, right now I think it's trying to discover. It's like playing around. But then
Yeah.
I see like 924 to 36 area. I don't want to play around with that. I think it will get shorted from there, potentially. But
Well,
at the same time, it's not safe to short this market.
man, look at that short, man. Look, man, I gotta trust my short eye, man. What?
What ES?
No, Nasdaq, you don't see it? Or are you still on that wrong contract? Because yeah, we got like a what a
You on the old one or the? Oh, you on the?
yeah, the new one. Oh no, I'm still on the one on Top Step X. Whatever one this is, they got on Top Step X is the one I'm on. Hold on, you on the September contract or the June contract? Hmm.
I'm on the September.
Oh, you're on the September contract. Oh, yeah, I think that I'm on, no, I'm not. I don't think because you can look at the price. I'm still on the June contract on Top Step X, and I guess that was a short. All right, so I mean, technically here we're still in this range. We're still in equilibrium, so it's you don't want to trade here. You'll become liquidity. It does look like the market does want to find lower prices. We may see a bounce here at 603. Let's see. We'll see where 603 is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can see that. We can see a bounce at 603 for sure. 603 for sure. Or it's highly likely. It's that 50% fib. We got the 50 EMA right underneath it. Yeah, we can see a bounce here. And then we got this low right here at 584. All right, let's see what happens. Actually, let me save this because I'm so sick and tired, man. Kind of sick and tired of these things doing this. I have no clue why it does it, but it does. It's frustrating. Um, all right, so let's do this on the ES as well. All right, because I think I found it on the ES, man, which is pretty cool because these golden fibs are lining up. And if y'all guys want these levels, it's going to be right here because it's lining up. And so I'm going to put this on my Ninja Trader chart so I don't lose it. So it's 4.5, 416. Well, I guess I can just do this. All right. We got the algo coming in 5 minutes. Shit. All right. All right. So what is it, like 460? It was like 416 to 438. Okay, cool. All right, so let's look at Nasdaq real quick. And it did find some support here. It looks like it wants to bounce here. Let's see where that is. No, I think this, obviously this zone right here will be better for the Nasdaq for sure. I'm gonna look for, I mean, I'll look for the 603 entry. It may actually continue up higher, but I would look for the 603 entry actually. Are you in this long or short, Smith?
I'm the short, baby. But I'm nervous about it though.
Okay, so from what I'm looking at, you are on the right track. It's made a clear reversal pattern, but obviously I wouldn't hold this. Obviously, I wouldn't get comfortable in this short because I mean this could go to 615 to 612. I'm looking for a 603 entry if it gets down here.
I'm on a new contract, baby. New contract.
Oh yeah,
so I'm
yeah.
in like yeah, I don't know. I don't feel, I mean, it has to get through this. But at most, I think it gets, I don't feel comfortable in it because it's effing around right now.
Yeah.
I don't like that. Stop playing around. Dang, book maps on the old contract too. Why am I on the new one, man?
I'm trying to figure that out too, bro.
You said what?
I was trying to figure that out too. It's like that new contract, I would only use that for to gamble in terms of because it's gonna move in one direction. Or it has been moving in one direction for real. But you actually traded on it. And I was like, huh, I wonder why he's doing that.
Yeah, I don't know either. But it's working right now in my favor.
No, that's all that matters, man. As long as it's working. Yeah, I should have took that short. I should have took it short, obviously.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Ooh.
Let's go, baby. You know I'm in it.
I know. Shit, we know you in it, baby. You know we in it. And I could have sworn I added it. I could have sworn I did that last night. I mean, it is trading with relatively low volume, but hey, if the plays work, the plays work. So, and we still have 4 more days on it, on this old contract. So just be mindful.
I should probably get out of this and go to the old contract.
Yeah, shit. Just what is it? Trail it.
We're all the way right back to my break even. People are buying this thing. Like, it's dropping, but they're just buying it right back up.
Mm-hmm.
Need a royal flush. Okay, there we go. I want to see if this level holds though. I only got a few more targets. I'm not trying to be super greedy today. I had my craziness, enough craziness from yesterday.
Yeah. So congratulations on that. Congratulations on that, dude.
Yeah, thank you. but this is actually still in an uptrend on this. So I wonder if, oh, you said we got the algo. No, the algo, it only pumps it.
Yeah, that shit only pump, bro.
Oh, damn. Getting effed up now.
And it bounced off that golden field level. I'm actually going to try to take this. So I just need a hit, baby. I just need a hit. That's all I want. That's all I want. That's all I want. So I just want to hit.
Missed my TP, my second TP by 2 points
Mm.
on that last drop.
Oh, shit. I did it again. I did it again. I did it again. All right. So what I probably need to start doing is actually put this on a micro contract because I straight up put this is on the Nasdaq. Good thing I didn't go 15. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You did get out of this, right? Because you know it was about to pump, right?
I did not get out when I should have. And now I'm like, oh, thinking about what could have been.
Let's see.
But yes, I see it. I see what.
Oh, guys, give me a second. Yeah, I should be good in this. Come on, Nasdaq. Pump it. Oh, yeah, our boy Smith is still on that short.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be all right though. I think I am.
Order filled.
Yo, AQ, you're a bitch for that, yo.
All you can do is laugh. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna be all right though.
Okay. Oh, that's funny.
Right back to my break even. Wow, it's acting real glitchy today for some reason. I don't like it. It's not smooth at all. I don't know if it's the connection or what. I
Mm.
don't like it.
No, it's actually looking like the price is definitely chopping. Like the software or whatever it's doing is definitely chopping. I guess you can only do so much when the stock is not the stock, but the market is being absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
Because it's like, where do we go from here? We got the news from the Fed. We're almost close to that
Order filled.
20K. We're close to it. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Market Edge? What's up? Yeah, I think the market is trending down now. I think the Bears got it. I think the Bears got it. Yeah, I think the Bears got it. Because the Bulls are definitely trying to buy this, but every attempt to push this market higher is being met with a push down. And she does be giving chances though.
He does. Look at this. Coming right back in. Being stubborn. There is
Mm.
some demand out there. That's why I'm like, yeah, why did you do that? I wanted the short up at 26. Yeah, great opportunity, but he's gonna go in short in that that bullish momentum. And then it just flips.
Hmm.
You're gonna get a chop range day, back and forth. Is that what it's looking like?
I mean, I guess so far, man, but I mean, we had a monstrous day yesterday. There's gonna be people that's gonna be buying this, people that's gonna be trying to take profits on this. Um, it's definitely going to be a battle until we get an expansion from this level. Either we're going to get that expansion higher or we're going to get that expansion lower. Um, I'm not going to lie, on the NQ, it does look like they got support here at this golden fib, at this 615. And looking at Bookmap, I do see a lot of orders here at that 615 level. But there's a lot of bears trying to sell this thing.
Now convert that to September contract terms.
Actually, let's just pull that up. Actually, let's pull up the September contracts and let's do some technical analysis for our boy Smith. Because right now he's not even paying attention to that. He's just trying to get his targets filled. Let's look at that. Oh yeah, I forgot.
I think they might come in here and
Yeah, bro. I
push.
mean, shit. Honestly, like I said, it's kind of dangerous to short the Nasdaq. It is
It
dangerous.
is. It is.
Okay. I mean, it hasn't been open for 18 days, but it's kind of hard just to. All right, so we're on the Nasdaq. It's a
Order
tomorrow.
filled.
Ah. Okay.
Yo, is it just me or is this thing glitchy as like it's not even the only thing that's somewhat working is my DOM, so I'm kind of looking off of that. Like this is crazy how glitchy it is. Maybe I need to sign out and
No, I mean no. It's definitely not just you. It's definitely
and
not just you,
I'm on Tradeovate CQG. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go.
dude.
Thank you.
What's going on with this chart?
I'm going to trail now because this is so glitchy over here.
Okay. All right, so this chart is just basically doing whatever the hell it wants.
Okay, let the games begin.
Okay.
Oh, baby. That's showing off. Oh, oh, boy. Come on, give me my final target. Don't do me like that. Don't retrace. Yeah, give me my final target.
Okay. So that 603 level, this is actually a trade that I will be looking to take for sure. All right. Okay. All right. All right. So this is the area that I said that I wanted to trade in. So let's jump into a micro contract. All right. So,
And there is demand incoming, though. Demand incoming. Matter of fact, let me move my target up just in case. Actually, I might try to tap in here. Oh, or just miss me. Watch it. Watch it just miss.
okay. So let's see. So, man, I may want to come to this 91 level, but we'll see.
Target filled, baby.
Order filled.
Okay.
Demand in this area, so you could see like a 20, 25 point pullback.
All right. So this is a trade I want to take. I'll add 3 more contracts here at this. I'll add 3 more
Order
contracts.
filled.
Yo, what the? Oh my God, dude. All right, man. All right, so I must be just self-sabotaging though. Like what? Like what the hell just happened? Somehow this thing just bought 3 additional contracts. I didn't mean to do that, but we're gonna let it rock. 90, 91. Uh, we're gonna let this rock. All right, so let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Uh, I do see a possible opportunity on the ES though. Damn. We do got this double bottom here. Mm. Hmm.
Order filled.
All right, so let's see. So 25. I put that right there at 25. All right, so let's see if these will work out. Let's see if both of these trades will work. All in all, we do get underneath this low. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay. So we lost on that Nasdaq trade. But it looks like you said how many PA accounts do I have? So I only have so far I have one on this account and I have about two on my MFF account. I do have more. Oh no, I'm not gonna say that. And then I have to activate another one on this one. Hmm. Huh. All right, so it looks like the Nasdaq is like selling off right now, though. Hmm.
Order filled.
Oh shit, I did it again. Damn it. Okay. All right. So apparently I just love trading the actual Nasdaq with 15 freaking contracts, dude. Like what the hell, man? All right. Damn. Uh, all
Order
right.
filled.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. I made this mistake twice today, so I guess I'm in my self-sabotage cycle. I did that twice. I did that all day. Did that again. Hmm. Uh, all right. Okay. All right. Like, dude, you better not. Ugh, thank you. Did that again. Mm, mm. Okay, so let's. Uh, uh, okay. All right. Okay. Mm, okay. Dude, for sure, I have no clue. I don't know why I did that twice, man. I do not know why I did that twice. I'm not gonna lie, that is very frustrating. That is definitely frustrating because, yeah, that's frustrating.
Order filled.
Oh, dude, what is going on, yo? Like, what the fuck is going on? Mm. Mm. Ain't
Order
nobody trying
filled.
to short the market. I am not shorting the market right now. I'm definitely trying to long this thing. Or I'm not trying to, I'm definitely going long. But it does look like the market's just trying to go short, though. It does look that way. Yeah, if I lose this trade, I'm just going to not necessarily shut it down.
Order filled.
But it is definitely obvious to me that I'm just making mistakes. I am definitely making mistakes. It just seems like one thing after another. Like I missed this. I missed this entry at 25. Or yeah, I had my entry at 25. It went to 26, and I missed this whole move up. I made that same 15 contract mistake on the Nasdaq about 3 times today. Don't know why I did that, but I did. Misreading the market. The market is going short,
Order filled.
and I'm trying to long it. Okay. Okay. Hmm. All right. I mean, shit, that just got traded through. So that can't be it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So, hmm. many points is this? So this is 16. Huh.
Damn, bro. Hold on, can you hear me? I got out way too early.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, I can definitely hear you.
uh, I got out way too early. Oh my gosh. What the heck? 45 points, another 40 points. Yeah, 80 points right there. 90. No, that was a 100-point move. Nah, yeah, that was a 100-point move. Golly, or close to it.
Mm-hmm.
Dang. Y'all got out, right? Did you flip short?
No, I didn't. No, I
Oh,
didn't.
shoot.
I wish I did though.
I was too early. Or I wasn't early enough. I should have been short in the 20s, in
Mm-hmm.
the 920s.
If you get a
I don't know
break
what it
here.
is.
Order filled.
Gain weight trying to short. Yeah. Nah, gain weight. We know you want that target that was 50 points away, 49 points away
Yeah, he
from the
wants that
September.
target.
20K is sitting right there. But it'll probably, rebalance, readjust, and then get there
Mm-hmm.
the next few weeks
Actually.
or whatever. Shoot, a few days. I don't know. Who knows with the NQ? Super wild.
I think we probably sell off today. We'll see. I think we sell off today.
Real solid.
I mean, not a real sell off, but well, no. Let me take that back. I don't think we sell off today. I think this is probably like a rebalance back into this area right here.
Yeah. A rebalancing day. Yeah, I can see that. I mean, we went up, like straight up, like it was like 2, 3 days in a row, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Order
I
filled.
was like, and after yesterday, I was like, man, Bears, y'all got to get something. y'all got to get something. Somebody take some profits or something. But even with this contract is up 300 points. That's not because of the gap, though. I'm trying to see like how many points was this really? From down here to okay. So if it drops like another 100 point, which I don't know.
Mm-hmm. We'll see. Dude, I just blew not blew, I just hit deadly loss limit on 3 accounts. Doing the same thing. Uh, uh, hmm, hmm. I mean, shit, and then you're already in too deep, so you can't close it. But yeah, so I did the same thing 3 times, yo. I thought I was on the micros because I'm just so used to being on micros now that I don't even think about if I'm on the Nasdaq. And I did that 3 times in a row that I went 15 contracts on the fucking Nasdaq and it went against me. Blew the damn account instantly, yo. Or hit daily loss limit
Yeah.
instantly. Yeah. Mm, yeah, that sucks, dude. Doing the same foolishness about 3 freaking times, man. Hmm. I mean, I think we at least trade back into this range, yo. But I guess I'll front run it for now. Yeah, at least trade back into this range. I'll just keep it here. Because if we get back into this range, I'll definitely continue to go higher. And definitely continue to go higher. Thanks. And then shit, if we get lucky, we'll get the, which I highly doubt, man. They might just try to take it to the top of this range. Honestly.
Oh, ES?
Yeah. Yeah. They might get to 30 at least. I mean, yeah, I can see that. I can see that. I mean, unless they try to drop it here, but all right, so yeah, I think this is a good area. I think that was a good area. I think that's where the market was trying to get to, honestly. Um, and we'll see. We'll see if they try to drop it here, but I don't think that there's going to be bears that's going to be real bears shorting this. I feel that the real bears are going to want to get back up here. Now, there's going to be bears trying to short this here, but I think we're going to have to be patient with this one. Unfortunately, we would have made our money already with the ES, but 539. So let's see where's 539 on this. So it touched that 79%. So we got a break of this. It does look like it wants to head back into that golden zone at 615, 612. Yeah, oh my God, dude. What? Oh my God. Look at that, man. I should have just. All right. Okay. Do y'all guys see this? Do y'all see this?
Okay. Yeah, that's wow. Sometimes all you gotta do is look left. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's all you gotta really do. Look at that. Look at that, yo. It lines up perfectly with the fib. Okay. All right. I do see that my position is in trouble, but we're gonna rock with it though.
Yeah, damn.
413. I'll add at 413, and this will be my last trade for the day. If this doesn't work, out, this will be my last trade for the day. Because obviously I'm not seeing the market. I'm not in tune with it. If this does not work out. Obviously made mistakes today. Now, you regarded bulls. Come in. Come in. This is a great area to be regarded at. Come in. But he says the market had no business doing that random ass drop. That was intentional. Yeah. Huh. Mm-hmm. But we'll see, man. I think this is a good area to long, honestly.
I'm with you, bulls. Let's get regarded in here.
And and obviously I must have found the fit levels for the ES because they came in right at this golden fib right here at the 618. They're coming right. They're coming in right at that golden fib.
Damn, that's the sell-off ain't done.
All right, so we'll see if they get any follow through. I mean, they really need to break below this 416 with some authority. That's really what the Bears really need to do. They've already tried selling it once, but it does look like the Bulls are holding it off so far. So far, they're holding this off. So. Well, then do that shit. Then gain weight, yeah, gain weight in the chat trolling, talking about we want to capitalize off of the real people in the market. That's you damn right. You damn right. You damn right. And shit, I don't mind. Yeah, keep buying it, gain weight. Push this market up. Get heavy, like you said the last time. He said, "Don't make me get heavy."
Don't make me go 200 contracts.
Get heavy.
Shoot. Do it. Send it. Beyblade, let it rip.
Man, that makes me, oh my God, that makes me so frustrated, dude. Man, that makes me frustrated. Look at this nice Nasdaq pump. Damn, I should, okay. That was my bad. My bad. That was my bad. This is what the 2K chart. You said look at the King
push chart, but it looks crazy on this new contract. So you can't even. It's just straight up. Like you can't even look at anything. You can't even like. Okay, this might do this or it might bounce here. No, it's just a straight line up.
Damn, dude. Like, man, look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. 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 The Bulls get to take the elevator, baby. The Bears take the stairs. The Bulls take the elevator, baby. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I should have gotten it way lower. But
Bulls get to take the elevator. You said what?
Stop on floor 4. Stop on floor 4, and then I take the remaining 20 flight, 20 levels. Keep pushing. Gain weight. Send it. Send it. Let that thing rip.
Nah, this shit is going, bro. Like, this shit gonna go like at least back into that range. It's going back into that range at least.
Could this be the movie going? I don't like how delayed my stuff is. It's kind of scary. Like I see the prices, I see the movement on the DOM, and then but the price, like the actual price, is just stuck in one place. But then I see the the bids and asks going crazy. The last traded price will be like stuck, but I ain't even looking at that. I'm following the bid and ask.
Wow. Okay. Because, I mean, shit, if it gets right there, it might as well get right there. Might as well. And then we can probably see, yeah. Yeah, I think this is actually pretty good. We can definitely most likely see it move back up. Nah, we don't want to be greedy. We don't want to be greedy. I do want to be greedy though. But I do want my targets to get filled. So, um, but yeah, on the King push chart, yeah, they bought this damn thing up. They bought it up. So, at least on the Nasdaq. Stay out of them practice accounts. Hey, that's what they're for. So I don't lose my real money. I need my real money for real life. I'll use this sim account. Yeah, I think this is definitely going up higher. Okay, I see the technical structure. I see it. I see the technical structure. I see it. Now I'm not saying that we don't get a pullback to break even, but this is highly likely to go up higher. So we got this move. The bears tried this once. They failed to take out this low. The bulls went up higher. The bears went higher, and now they're trying to sell this back low. So now, not only does the bears need to take out this low, they need to take out that low, and they need to take out, I forgot what other low they needed to take out. That low too. So they got 3 lows to take out to be successful, but I don't know, bears. I don't know. Y'all like to be rainbow bears at the bottom and get stopped out at the top. I mean, y'all like to continue to do that for some damn reason. But the bears are so strong at the bottom, like it really does blow it. It doesn't blow my mind, but it's always eye-opening that this is where all the bears like to come in. They like to come in towards the bottom, but towards the top. Look at the stair step down. The bears don't like to come in as the market is going down. They like to try to short the bottom. Like, what's up with that?
Yeah, that is crazy though. And then every time when I would short the bottom, it would instantly reverse.
Mm-hmm. Because I guess we need y'all bear stops for fuel. He said what?
Just instantly. Instant reversal.
I mean,
Something that I should have seen coming, but it'll be like you're blinded by the momentum.
yeah. I mean, and like I see this pattern happen all the time. We see this. The bears struggle to take out, started to push the market down, and then they're struggling. And as soon as the market begins to base out, that's when you just feel all the bearish momentum when the market is trying to go back up and try to trade back into the range. Now, we're not going to say that the bears aren't successful down here, but more often than not, if you're shorting down here, you're just being you're going to be a liquidity donation to the market. It's basing out. Look to the left. You see a double bottom. Why the hell are you trying to short a double bottom? Why?
Yeah. there's demand back there. That's where they came in last time. So you're probably gonna think it's a good discounted area to come in at the previous demand.
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna feel a lot of resistance here at this bottom. It's always better to short at a range. Now, it may not always work, but if you think that the market is trying to reload to go lower, you don't ever want to short the bottom, especially when you got support right here. I mean, all you're doing is filling out these orders right here. That's all you're doing. Get into a neutral area where there's not a lot of buyers and not a lot of sellers. It can go either way here. And don't be a buyer up here. I mean, it's buy high, sell low. I mean, let's just dump that mindset. You said what?
I said I finished it. Sell low. Buy high. Yeah, so now it looks like they formed that double top up there. And it makes sense, right off that golden fib.
Gameway says I always short the bottom. Go ahead. And for Shiro, you're saying that so you said that he was going to say isn't that a double bottom? Yes, that is a double bottom. And he said despite how much time it takes for the reversal, it does take away the reversal. Probably it doesn't take away. So yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna 9 times out of 10 this will not work. 9 times out of 10, what the bears are doing will not work. I mean, it has worked. They have taken out a double bottom. But 9 times out of 10, you're not taking out a double bottom. Especially when that double bottom was the origin of a break of structure high. You're not going to take that out because there was enough buyers here to move the market up to retest highs. So we may not get a retest of the highs, but we're definitely going to have unfilled orders here.
And triple top up there.
So just like this triple top up here, it's going to be hard to trade through this. We're going to need some super news to trade through that.
Yeah, that probably became major supply. Touching 3 times over there.
I will say that this type of price action is kind of annoying. Well, this is the ES. It's not like it's the NQ or nothing. She takes her time.
Yeah, so I kind of, damn, right back. Like, I almost had conflicting, looking at the 5-minute chart on Nasdaq. I'm on the September contract. But it looked like you had that huge drop, pull back, and it looked like a drop and maybe try to go for a double bottom. But so I look at multiple different charts to make sure things line up. My Heiken Ashi 1000 tick, that's looking like it's about to rip. My 2K tick looks like it's trying to rip in an uptrend now. We're trying to. We got to break this 857 price on the September contract. We got to break that, but if we break that, I think we run into at least VWAP. VWAP on this contract for me is sitting at 878.
878. really don't want to see. Oh man, I tuned into slow markets with Dakota, and dude, when I said that, oh shit, gold is about to short, and I ran to my desk to try to short it. Man, that damn thing shorted so goddamn fast, and I was like, dude, I might have to actually start. I'll probably actually start doing the same thing with gold. Man, and I was just at my other desk, just randomly on YouTube, and I was like, well, I guess I might as well just look at slow markets, and sure enough, as soon as I saw that, I was like, yo, that's a short. Let me run, and I get to my desk, and the damn short already happened. I was like, fuck. Ugh. But actually, let's look at gold actually. Let's see what happened from last night. Uh, let's see. Let's see what happened. Okay. 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 So it was like around 7 o'clock yesterday, 7 o'clock at night, somewhere around that time. Let me go to a smaller time frame. I think it was right here, or it was somewhere. Where the hell was it at? It's around 7 o'clock. So I think this might have been the short. Sometimes the candles on. Where's that damn short at? I think it was around 8 o'clock. So I think it might have been this. Yeah, I think it might have been this drop right here on gold. But it looked at more. I think he might have been using a Ninja Trader chart. Let's look at that in Ninja Trader. I think he was using a Ninja Trader chart because the pattern was just like, yo, the pattern hit me in my face. So I was like, yo, that's a short. All right, so gold. Let's keep it there. Uh, I don't think it was around like 8 o'clock last night. Yeah, I think this was it right here. Yep, around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock-ish. No, it was here, this one. I saw the reversal pattern set up. I saw it was right here, around 8 o'clock, I think. Or was it? Let me see, 8 o'clock. Yeah, I think this might have been it. I think this might have been it. This was a short right here. This was the short right here. We had this nice price traded right back into this little range right here. Where's my rectangle at? Once I saw that price traded right back into this, and when I tuned in, because the price was like right here, and I saw this, and I was like, oh shit, that's a short. So I ran to my desk, and then when I got back to my desk, this already happened. And I was like, fuck. At around like 9 p.m. Yeah. I'm actually going to start looking at gold overnight because, man, gold has definitely been moving. Gold's definitely been moving at nighttime, and I'm gonna need something to keep me busy at night because I'd be bored.
Has there been good opportunities? It's probably that the Asian session. They love trading gold and currencies.
You know what? You're absolutely right. That's probably what it is too. Mm, that's probably what it is. So I'm gonna actually start looking at gold at nighttime and see if I can get me some trade opportunities on it. Cause
Yeah.
I mean, but it moves just as
Forex,
slow. So what?
currency pairs, and gold. I tried to get into trading gold. I was just like, I mean, you're right. At times it'd be moving mad slow, but then it has its moments.
Hmm.
Like, look at all that. But how long did that take?
Yeah, like it'll take like a couple of hours, and you have to probably be in this thing all night and day, just like the ES. I'm not the ES. Well, I mean, yeah, the ES can move it just as slow, just like that too. But um, CL. That's why, like I said, that's why I kind of go back and forth between these commodities. So just move slow. It takes like 8 hours just to make 2K. Like anybody trying to wait 8 hours just to make 2K? Nobody got time for that. Ain't
Yeah, that's crazy.
nobody got time for that. Okay. And then you got to have like small tick time frames because these things are just so small. I mean, they don't move. I mean, you can put this on an 18K chart and on the bars are still small. So it's like, well, let me see. Honestly, I don't think that matters. I think as long as you make like 100 point. All right, so let's see on this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go back to gold on the let's see if we can get the golden fibs to work on this as well. So take that off. If we can get the golden fib on gold, yo. All right, so I see a move at two. No, just I'll just. All right, so I see a move at 2336, 2336 from 2325. All right. Hmm. I mean,
Dang, man. Freaking, that would be nuts. That
what,
would be
what?
crazy. Try to fill that gap because that means it would go all the way down to 610
Hmm.
on the new contract. Another 200 points.
No, that's not it. That's not it. Okay. Hmm. 2, 3, 40, 23, 29. I mean, that somewhat lines up. I mean, that somewhat lines up. Okay, yeah, that lines up. That lines up. That lines up. Hmm. Okay, so if you was in this short, you would have to been in this short at 7:30 and hold on, what? Obviously the times has to be wrong because they're saying that this is 7:30 and this is 7:30. So what's going on?
So Shiro, I haven't looked at crude since she did me
36.
dirty. Is that this year or last year? I can't remember. But
Yeah, I have no clue why this is doing this on a. I don't know why. Because this is saying that this move started at the 13th at 7:36, and okay, now it's sorry. So this is a 2-hour trade. Using this short for 2 hours just for the bulls to come back in. But then why is it saying 12:05? Like, all right, Top Step X. All right, whatever, dude. Whatever. But that is a good.
Q dropping. Look
Is it?
like trying to get a double bottom. Yeah, they broke through that support.
All right, we will see. We will see if your boy Sherm has just dropped the ball today. The one time I don't short, the one time I don't short, the market actually shorts. That's funny. Okay. But I think we got this. We may have found this on gold though. I mean, they bought it here at the golden zone. They shorted at the golden zone. They found support here, and they found support here again. Huh. You got the 50 EMA lining up with the 200 EMA. Okay, so we'll see. I do have a follow-up entry here at 13. This will be my last trade of the day if this fails. Okay. All gold, everything. I mean, gold moves when it wants to, man. But he was so when I was he said he was in micros and he was in 5 micro contracts, but he was up $2,700. I didn't really do the math on that. I was like, how? I thought he was in minis, but he was in 5 micro contracts, so that's literally half of a full contract. And he was up 2,700, so it might have just been micro, it might have been minis. And I think he might have been saying something about micros. Maybe somebody in the chat was saying something about micros. I don't know. I was like, there's no way that he's in 5 micro contracts and he's up 2,700 on gold, because gold is 10 cents a point or a cent. Okay, he was in minis. I was like, yeah, okay. So yeah, I must have, the chat was just being the chat. But gold is popping though. Gold is definitely popping, and it bounced right here at this golden fib. So we can look at gold too, since we can start looking at gold too. But I mean, I'm just saying that this thing is slow, man. This thing is slow. But I think we may have found the fib levels for it. I'm just gonna make the assumptions that we did. Hey, Smith, are you still in this short?
Trying to run again. On the longs, baby.
Okay.
I told Game Weight to send it. He's playing around.
Yeah, send that shit. Gain weight.
Go heavy.
All right, so I think so. It does look like they're trying to buy this off the 50 EMA. So I think now they may try to rotate it back into this range, which honestly, I mean, if they just took all that liquidity, then they're trying to get back into this range at least. We might actually make a whole range rotation, actually. Let's look at that. We might make a whole range rotation. Bears, you will find out. Bears will find out. It's a bull market, baby. Damn. Yo, if we make it this type of range rotation today, huh.
That would be crazy.
I mean, honestly, it wouldn't even be surprising. I don't think we probably do it today. We probably might do it tomorrow. But if we get above these highs, you know it's gonna it's trending higher. You already know what's coming on after that. You know it's gonna trend higher. So you know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm doing that. All right, so I have 18 on. I'm gonna take 3 right here. So 13, 16, and I have 2 to run. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Well, we'll see if this will work out. Damn, gold just had a big sell-off just now. Let's see where gold sold off. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? Yo, that 23% is next to God. That 23% must be like the next must be the VWAP's wife or something. Because that 23% it doesn't play.
Yeah, don't.
That 23% don't play, yo. And so we got VWAP is God and that 23% as his right-hand man or wife, however you want to interpret it. But Yo, that 23% is the truth. And look where they bought it at. Or they're trying to buy it. They're trying to buy it right back up at the 23% on the opposite side. Yo, okay. I'm convinced that 23% is the truth. It is definitely the truth.
Yeah, man. We talked about the 23% from a
Hmm.
while ago.
Well, see, I mean, yeah, we do talk about it, but because I don't necessarily trade with the fibs, I just get in at the best place possible and hope for the best. I guess I never really taken in the power of that 23% and actually seeing it in action. But yeah, y'all bears about to find out that we bulls take the elevator up, baby. We take the elevator up. It would be funny if they reject it here at the 50 and drop it. That would be funny. Okay. All right. So Alfred says that VWAP is God and the 23% is his son, Jesus Christ, the one that sacrificed itself for its sins, for our sins. The 23%. Hey, Alfred, I'm switching teams, baby. I like to be on the winning side. But yeah, I am definitely a bear at heart, though. I'm definitely a
Exactly.
bear at heart.
I'm forever. I'm on whoever's winning the winning team.
I'm on a winning team, baby. I'm definitely a bear at heart, man. I know when to sell. It's just when it comes to buying, it's like, dude, it's like it's easier to sell. It's easier for market participants to sell out of their positions because especially if you've been in this and you took all this pain, it's gonna be easier to sell. That's why when we get sells, that shit crash, yo. When people sell out of their position, it crashes. Because people are just they're itching to hit that sell button if they're profitable. They're itching. But if they bought and they go underwater, what they like to do is buy, 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 and it's hard to, well, I won't say it's hard, but it's challenging. I feel like more market participants would rather sell out of their positions than buy into a new one. So I like being on the short side of the market. It's easier. But you rainbow bears want to short the damn bottom, but and making everything hard. But once we get over this hump, it should be smooth sailings because we got all this liquidity up here, but I mean, we also got all this liquidity down here too. So, I mean, it works both ways. I mean, the market did take out all this. So, I'm assuming that the market will definitely try to make that move back up. And based on the structure, it's highly likely that it will. However, we can't always be 100% certain because something can come out. We can definitely get this, but more than likely, we're going to get this. Trade right back into this range up here. And then let's see, let's look at gold. Well, actually, let's look at GME. Honestly, like I said, if I traded options, like I said, I would have took this long. It traded right back into this area. And from here, it went long. Gay bear. So it went long. It shorted. It does look like they want to use this breakout as support, or they are using this breakout here as support. Let me draw it on the screen so y'all guys can see it. So they're using this breakout as support for that potential move higher. But we do got all this selling momentum to the downside. So the bulls are definitely going to have to trade past this for sure. We might see this before we see that back into that.
Connection lost.
But like, man, honestly, now I kind of wish that I took this. But yeah, I don't have any more money in that options account anyway, so I wouldn't have been able to take it even if I wanted to. But I highly doubt. So I'm pretty sure everybody's seen that that tweet from what's his name? Roaring Kitty. If we can find that meme. Okay. Yeah. This meme right here. You were a billionaire. Were a billionaire. And he definitely was a billionaire at one point. And I was actually talking to my brother about this as well. I was like, man, I mean, where do you close this? I mean, he's still up. I mean, if he has closed this, I mean, he's closing this position. I think he has like one more. He has next week. He has one more week in this position. But as we all know, that options expire over time. So he can still close this and be up a couple of million. But I think the peak of this position was about what, 600 million at least. You said a good range. Yeah, we're definitely been trading in the range though. Definitely trading in the range. Look at that. I mean, price is actually technically in a range right now. Okay. So let's see what the bulls are going to do with this. Let's see what the bears are going to do. It seems like obviously the market momentum is going to the downside. However, these bulls have been mentally regarded for the past couple of weeks. Honestly, I was thinking about it this morning. Maybe the market wants to kind of sell off because Powell, I think they said that they're actually thinking of actually doing one rate cut this year versus the three that they projected. And I don't know if the market didn't like that. But I'm pretty sure worse things have been said. And the market has, these bulls have still bought the market up. So I think that as soon when when Jerome Powell actually cuts rates, we've already explained that I think that he'll cut rates when it's too late. based on what has happened in the past, because they want to use this cutting rate as a tool just in case we get into another economic crisis that requires a rate cut. But I feel at that point it'll be too late. And once we get that first rate cut, I believe that's when the market will actually sell off. I really believe that's what would happen, or that's my current assumption. I think we would sell off when we first get that first rate cut. Because let's be honest, inflation is still, regardless of what the data is showing, inflation is still affecting our economy, even in a high restrictive monetary policy environment, even with a highly restrictive monetary policy. And we still feeling inflation. So if they cut, well, we already know what comes after that. Okay. Hmm.
You know what I just noticed? I didn't have my fibs up, and price ran to these golden fib zone on NQ. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and
4 times.
rejected all 4 times. So I'm like, damn it, that was the key. That was the key to probably re-enter short up there where it rejected all those times. But now I'll be because I'm still in the
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm in this long with you, baby.
10 o'clock, yeah. Unless they decide to come in at some point and at least go back to VWAP. At least give me VWAP.
I think we're gonna probably get more than VWAP.
Yeah.
I mean, like,
do whatever they want. What would you think?
I was like, I mean, they are trying to find support here, but I don't want to sound like and then hopium, because I'm looking at the Nasdaq chart as well. I mean, they're trying to find support right here, but this might.
He's in withdrawal. Get him, snap him out of it. He's in the state of hopium.
You know what? No, these bulls are being regarded. No, they coming through. Because if you gotta remember, we can't let our emotions get the best of us. If bears crash the market, if it ain't going down, that means it's going up, baby. We gotta remember that. If it ain't going down, that means it's going up.
Hey, I'll take it. But I think I'm cutting probably like 80. I don't want to, because if it rips, I'm gonna be upset. But I probably have to. That'll be the smart thing to do. I'm cutting like 80% of my position if it gets back to the zone and plays around. Now, if it runs it, of course, we're just gonna have to see what happens. But if you start playing around there at 80%, playing the games. Fifth time, you don't get that. NQ gives you chances. She only gives so much. Remember? I don't know if you remember. You probably do. But I was in that position. It was like 6 or 7 times. It came back to my break even. You're like, get out. No, there's a chance.
Yeah, I mean, you talk about that one time where it was like you had so much profits in the morning that you was using it to pad that position. Is that the one? Is that the time? Like earlier on?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I remember that shit. I was like, dude, close it. She's giving you chances. Close it. No,
Yeah.
hey, you've been in it for too long. It's like shit. At this point, you're just gonna have to show me. God damn it, you're just gonna have to do it.
But I should have known. The logical side should have been like, bro, you've been in. It touched your break even 7 times, and it ain't go past it. Like, bro, get out at break even. It ain't going past it.
Nope.
You're not about to make no money on this play. And then you end up being in it for like hours, man. That's the terrible part. Like, damn, I
Mhm.
held for hours and I didn't get nothing but break. If that. That's if you decide to get out. You know I didn't decide to get out.
Of course not. Of course not. We don't get break even over here.
You take the L rather than that's crazy.
Dude, it's like
Oh,
at
you gonna
that
break
point, at
even.
least you get something. Like that's what's dangerous about it. You don't even get nothing with break even. At least it's like, well, shit. At least I tried. I mean, I know I just lost 5K, but at least I tried.
That's what you say to convince yourself. I know I lost. Okay, at least I tried.
Hey, as long as you try, baby. That's all. That's all. That's all that matters. That's what your internal self wants. At least you try, baby. What is it? Yoda says. It says you did or you did not. There is no try. You did or you did not. There is no try.
Yes, there is no try. Either you win or you lose, baby. There's no break even.
There ain't no break even, baby. Shit, I got
Nah, that's
something.
bad habits. Jokes. It's all jokes. That's bad habits. All
Yeah, I
right, I'm
mean,
up. Should I?
no, no,
Okay,
no,
rare.
no, no.
Hey,
You
yo,
gotta
it's
let it. You gotta
punching.
hold it, baby. Yeah. No, you should like it.
No,
I ain't
no.
gonna lie. Like it kind of does look like you're gonna see some resistance here at this high at
Oh,
585.
goodness.
It does look like that though. But like I said, if the market hasn't already dropped, that means it's going up. If it hasn't gone down, that means it's going up. Because I
Well, I
mean,
mean,
shit, we
they
know
did.
this. This is what the bears do. This is what the bears do. If it ain't going down, that means it's going up. My bad. Go ahead.
Nah, I mean, they. I was about to say they are kind of like trying to hold it here, but it sucks when your break even is right there. You know,
Hold on. Where's your break even
like
at?
stop using the break even as
Resistance.
as for the resistance. It's like, no, just go. I didn't even realize I didn't have my stuff on, so I didn't realize I was in an inefficient area.
Mm.
So I'm kind of just stuck.
Hold
I
on. You still in a
traded out my
September contract,
fibs.
right?
Yeah, I'm in September.
Oh yeah. You're not even looking at the same chart, dude. Actually, let's look at that.
Yeah.
You're not even on the same chart. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know why this is doing this. Okay. I mean, I mean,
Never mind. We about to go. Might see some resistance up here at the top. But if we do, I'm closing 80%. And I'll let the rest ride.
it does look like this can go. I mean, obviously, price has been trading in the range this whole time. So, I mean, price has definitely been trading in a what the hell?
Yeah, with okay. Yeah, if it gets to that top and plays around, I'm telling you, I'm cutting
You know what?
Probably
I'm
should
not
cut the
dealing with
whole
this.
thing.
I'm not dealing with that. Is he gonna cut it? I gave that
Probably
chart
should.
plenty of opportunity to work, and it chose not to. All right.
Like 56, 57 if you get back up there. 50. And you play around NQ.
I mean, ES is
Hey,
going up, so that means NQ is gonna definitely try to follow it. ES is going up, or is in an uptrend at the moment.
all right, we entered that zone, that area. Probably,
Yeah, we
gotta
good,
break
man, bro.
through.
You good. You good on this, yo. You good.
We've been up here 4 times before. This is 5th time's the charm. Is that what you said?
Yep. Hey, man. Hey, you're just gonna have to hold, baby. That's the name of the game, man. You want to make money in this market, you can't let it get you out of a position because this market moves like as a system. I've already said to y'all that I wasn't worried about being in this position because bears are gonna find out that nobody shorts down here with y'all. Y'all rainbow bears that like to short the bottom and be all strong at the bottom. All you're doing is allowing the professional bulls, and they're letting you do it so they can take the elevator up. Tell them, gain weight. Tell them. We use y'all as liquidity, baby. We use y'all as liquidity. Y'all want to be rainbow bears at the bottom? Well, okay. You get used as liquidity. So yeah, definitely. If we break this high, the Nasdaq. Oh crap. The Nasdaq will do this number. The market is trying to get back into this range. I would never short the market when there's a range above us. Never, ever, ever. You see what Gameway said? He's talking about he got his bought on now. We pissed him off. Oh, so that's you, Gameway? That's you moving the market like that? Well, shit. Our long position thanks you. He said he got his bought on now.
So you the culprit, huh? Okay, Gangway. I see you. You the culprit that Apex claimed you cheating Apex with the bot.
Well, the reason why I call them rainbow bears because we all know that the Reddit term is gay bears. We all know that retarded bulls and gay bears. We know that. However, even though this is not a safe place for anybody's feelings, I understand that that word can be offensive to some, even though we're not using it in that context. So I made a compromise and called them rainbow bears. I mean, both terms are offensive to somebody, retarded bulls and gay bears. So we call them regarded bulls and we call them rainbow bears. But like I said, this is not a safe place for anybody's feelings. We
Hey,
over
I'm
here to
out
make money.
80%.
Ah,
I'm
get
out
out of here.
Hey,
Ah.
in this area. What did I say? I'll keep it to my word. I'm out 80%. I got 2 runners left.
Okay. Hey, that's good. That's good trade management right there, baby. That's good trade management.
You can clown me all you want. Even though it does look like it's gonna go, but it's just sitting in this hanging in this area too long. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna protect my game for the day. I'm up 47 right now. 4,700. And I'm gonna just see what happens with these 2 runners. I'm gonna trail at my break even.
I mean, well, I can see the Nasdaq. Well, okay, you're not on the June contract, but if you're long on the Nasdaq, eventually the market is going to get back into this area at 626, back into this range. we do have an area of potential resistance where we got this old high, this swing high. We got a VWAP lining up right here. I mean, price can get to the 6010 level. I don't know. I don't know if 6010 has been a previous area of resistance or support. Let's actually look at that. Let's see if there's a fib level that lines up right there. Okay, so we got the golden fib in that area. So they can possibly reject it at that golden fib. We might get a move back down to 591. Honestly, if we get a move up and a rejection down to 591, I would actually long this. I would long that. Actually, I was thinking about just going long right here. However, the market just needs to trade back into this. I would feel comfortable buying either 591 if we get a rejection back down, because I know this area will most likely be used as support since it's been used as resistance 3 times. And they're trying to come back in and try to reject it at this area for a third time or a fourth time. So I know that if the market comes back, this would be a good area for a low risk long. 27 points right above underneath this 23%, probably scale in towards in the middle for that retest of at least, I said 630, 628-ish, 630, 628. The market is trying to get back into this range right here.
They need to stop playing around and send it. I see the bulls trying to get back VWAP on my chart. It's right back into that area. I don't like it. This could be a 5th rejection. If it does, they just need to send it. And hit my targets up above. Or both. Well, I'm not going to say that. I do care. I'd be sad if it stops me out, but
Yeah.
but I'll accept.
And with the ES, man, everything looks bad. Like every time they start to sell off, your whole life flashes before your eyes because you don't ever know. But like I said, I'm confident that the market is going to at least trade back into that area. Honestly, what I should do is actually just stop being greedy and just put this right here at that 23%. Because we can get that first target off at 23%, and then we might get a sell down back here to this golden fib area, possibly 27 where they're trying to sell it at. And then we can possibly see another move back up. But I'm just gonna let this rock, baby.
Yeah, 5 minutes looking curvy, like they trying to take it back up. She looking curvy. Yeah, there we go. Get up there. Let's see, we got opening price.
And they bought it off the the 50 EMA. So yeah. The hourly looking like it found support. And not only did it find support on the hourly, like I said, man, we took out all this liquidity underneath that low. We took out the liquidity underneath this low. And now it looks like the market wants to make its rotation back higher, obviously into this range, possibly taking out this high and then trading further. I would highly doubt that we do all that in one day, but we can definitely do it on Friday tomorrow. We can definitely do it Friday if we don't do it today.
Oh yeah, you know Fridays like to rip. Rip it Friday.
Yeah. You know I gotta make all that money back. You know I gotta make it back. Unnecessarily DLLs in 2 and 3 accounts, man. Unnecessary DLLs. But that's how my self-sabotaging system works. Like I have to destroy everything as a refresh, and I don't understand why I have to do that. I don't know why. It's like an internal thing that was like, oh, well, you're winning too much. This is boring. And I just started doing shit, start making stupid mistakes.
Come on, stop the struggle, baby. Stop struggling to get above this and just go. The guarded bulls, we need you. Come in.
Everybody hates
Sweet.
themselves. Alfred. No. But it is self-sabotage. I know that to be true.
It's a real thing.
No, it's definitely a real thing. It's definitely a real thing. Definitely. That's why when I tell you like I'm not playing when I said that I need to find purpose to trade. Like obviously when I was getting the payouts, obviously I had purpose. It was like shit, I need to get that money. I'm no longer driven by that. So I'm on when I get on these win streaks, it gets boring. It's like shit, it gets boring.
There we go, NQ. Finally, you get some life in you. Hit my target. Hit my target at VWAP. Come on, what are you doing? Aw,
Yeah, we definitely probably gonna go. But I think NQ is getting stopped by a or like that 21 EMA if I'm not mistaken. I know you're trying to get the V. Oh yeah, we're not on the same. Okay, never mind. I keep forgetting you're on a different chart.
Yeah,
Hold on. So for
yeah,
some reason, on at least on mine, I'm not getting any price action. So is price at 862 right now on your chart?
yeah, it is.
Is that
It is.
862? All right. So
Telling
how
you,
are you
it's
trading this,
us.
dude? How are you trading this? Like, where's the price action? You got this like on an hourly
What
chart or
you
something,
mean?
or on a tick chart?
I'm using the 5 minute and the 2000 tick.
The
And
five
it's like
minute
right
and
there at VWAP.
the 2000 tick. Cause dude, I'm trying to figure out because on this 100 tick chart, it's a straight up green dildo candle, dude. So I'm like, yo, what are you talking about? So you said the 30 minute or the 5 minute? You said 5 minute, 5 minute. So let's switch to the 5 minute. Look at it from there.
Is that how you're I see that candle. That's crazy. Is that how you're how it fills the gaps? Because mine looks the 2000 looks let me see.
Or
Oh
maybe
shoot.
maybe this is maybe the data is wrong. Maybe this is ingesting the data wrong. Because yeah, it might just be one candle, but at the same time, shit. All right, so huh, huh. So I do see something on the ES. I do see some on the ES. If you're in this position, I mean, I'm not doing it. I'm holding this to the bitter end, baby. But yeah, I think this might be a good area to take some profits off. This may be a good area to
Shoot,
take something off. You said what?
I only got the two. Sold 80%.
Oh no, I'm talking about the ES trade.
I think oh I think I'm gonna get out here. I'm not being too greedy. I'm up 5.
5K.
I'm up 5. Yeah. I'm not being too greedy, asking for my targets.
I mean, as long as you trail it, man.
I mean, I am, but if it hits my trails, then I won't be at 5, and then that'll mess with me. Then I'll be trying to go back in just to
To get that money back. Yeah.
get the 5.
Huh. So
Uh,
yeah, I don't know why this is doing that. So let me try it this way. Sept 09-24. All right.
oh no, it hit my target. No.
Hold on, you got out
Okay,
and
I'm closing it. My target is right there. I put it like a tick above VWAP
mhm.
or 2 ticks, and it didn't hit. It touched right on VWAP and then sold off a little. Oh, damn. I closed it. I'm not at 5. I'm gonna be all right. I'm done for the
Okay.
day. Yeah, that would have stopped. But anyway, see, got
Ah.
to view up, and drop.
Okay.
Tesla. Hey, I'm gonna give when what's their company? Starlink. When that Starlink company go public, that's gonna be my Tesla 2.0.
Mm. It makes sense. It makes sense. But all right, guys, I'm gonna leave this up.
Get government.
You said what?
Oh yeah, yeah. You gotta go, guys. That time.
It is definitely that time. Definitely that time. And yeah, I don't know why it's doing this. All right, so this is
Hour.
but all right, guys,
I
I'll
was in
leave
there
this.
for an hour.
Actually, I'll put this on the no, I'll leave it on the ES chart. Just give me a few minutes. Let me go do this meeting real quick. And mm, mm.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna head out. Um, yeah, got some work to do now. Good trading with y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all. Hopefully, catch y'all tomorrow.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. All right. All right, NQ. All right. All right. So yeah, we're still green in this candle. I did see that at least on these on the chart on the ES that they may try to come in right here. However, I don't think they're gonna get past 425. 425. I mean, it may come back to like the 20, but I don't think it sells off here. We have all this support right here that's been built up. The bears is going to have to trade through all of that, and with all this bullish momentum to the upside, I would find it hard to believe that the market can make a rotation down lower. Not saying that it can't. Not saying that it can't. I'm going to take the bet that the market is going to continue to trade higher until we at least get back into this range. And that's how I'm going to handle this trade right here. Um, I mean, it may come back to break even. So that's why anybody that was in this trade, I suggested taking some off here just to pay yourself. However, that's not how I trade. So I will accept drawdown for my target. Because after I get off stream, I'm actually just going to not even monitor this trade. I'm okay with this. I don't think that the market trades lower, and if it does, well, I'm okay with this because I don't think the market trades down to 410. I don't think we get that. It would break my heart if we do, but I don't think so. I don't think so. So that's the bet I'm gonna take. Let's look at the NQ. Yeah, and the NQ is looking quite the same. This might be a replay from what happened a couple of days ago. This may be a replay from what happened a couple of days ago. The Bears might be successful, but I think this might be a replay of what happened the last time. So right here, obviously, this is a great place to be a seller. A great place to be a seller. I think we actually saw this same move. Actually, let me see if I can just find the. We saw the same instance just like this last week, or actually a couple of days ago, where the Bears have had a great area to be bears in, but what they failed to realize or to recognize is that we have all this black block of price action right here. And so if in order for the bears to be successful, not only do they have to sell it here, but they have to sell it through this, and they have to sell it through that. So that's what the bears have to do to be successful. The only thing the bulls have to do is hold off this area right here to get what they really want, which is to trade back into this range. So this is what the bears have to do. This is all the bulls have to do. So my bet is always going to be to the upside once the risk reward is right here. And we're so close to the objective. Why not? But I don't ever want to use language that would suggest that I'm 100% certain, because if I was, obviously I would have full ported this damn thing. There is a possibility the Bulls can bring it back down. So, or I'm sorry, the Bears can bring it back down. But if I actually let me see if I can find the move I was talking about. And I'm pretty sure it was on the NQ. I'm not NQ, the ES actually. It was on the ES. Actually, I'm not gonna find it. I'm not gonna try to look for it. Okay. Yep, that's right. That is right. At least I tried. least I tried. Either it's gonna hit my target or it's gonna hit my stop. There is no in between. There is no in between. And that is for definitely for good reason. You get out of this trade right here and it keeps going in your direction, you're gonna be pissed. And what happens to people when emotions get into the market? Revenge trading. I mean, honestly, technically, it did hit my 10-point target right here. Technically. And if it continues to go in your direction, you're going to try to look for a new trade. So I just would rather just stay in my original trade, honestly, and just take the drawdown. I appreciate that, Alfred. Hmm. Okay. I'll stay on for 3 more minutes and see what happens with this trade. If we get a break below the break even, like I said, I'm willing to scale in right here. Unfortunately, in situations like this, it hurts to see price come back to your break even before it reaches your target. But I mean, sometimes that's what happens. That's how the game is played sometimes. Sometimes you have to accept that price gets down to your break even before it gets to your target. Sometimes you have to accept that you was in profit and it hits your stop. I mean, that's just how the game is played. But I did warn you guys to get out of here because I did see that there was a short setting up right here. But I don't believe that the market is going to sell off. You know, I guess a better question is, why would people buy? All right, guys. I have to get to work. We'll do this again later on tonight at the NA meeting. Like I said, I'm gonna keep this position open. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this position open. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, is sold off. Gold sold off. Now let's see. That'll be upsetting. That'll be upsetting if price needs to travel all the way down there. But it does look like they're holding up that 416 level. It does look like they're holding this level at least. So if the bulls hold it above 416, then the bulls have it. And they can hold it up above this level. I do see yeah, okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let this play out. I'm gonna let it play out. I'm gonna let it play out. So I guess the one time where they actually do sell it, it sells right back down to my break even. Yeah, I'm gonna let it play out. Okay, I'm good. But all right, guys, I appreciate y'all guys joining. We'll do this again later on at 6:30 Central Time. We'll look for trades going into tomorrow. Tomorrow is Free Cash Friday, so the market can definitely run. If the market does sell off, then we know what's going to happen tomorrow, what's likely to happen tomorrow. We know that the market is going to get bought right back up. If we get a pump, I will feel that the market will probably trade higher, possibly trading into that 460 area tomorrow, about 450, 460 tomorrow. No, actually, if we run these highs, we're definitely trading higher. We're definitely trading higher if we run these highs. These highs at 450. So that's what I'm going to be looking for going into tomorrow, but we'll get more information towards the end of the day. So with that said, peace out, everybody.